Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first project. So I purchased 2 plungers from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be gluing them together with this super glue also from Dollar Tree. I believe you can also find these items still at Dollar Tree. They always have them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side to adhere. Once everything is nice and adhered, then I'm gonna come in with this little plate. I purchased this at I think it was Dollar General for like 25 cents because the season was over, and I will be spraying it with this spray paint from Rust-Oleum. It's supposed to bind to plastic and the color is candy pink. Everything is completely dry now, so let's go ahead and move on to decorate this beautiful piece. I have these mirror tiles from Dollar Tree as well. I purchased these I think like about a year and a half ago. I haven't seen them since then. They are self-adhesive, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel this back section from here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start decorating both of these plastic plungers. I'm gonna put plenty of hot glue right up here, and then that little plate I'm gonna place it right on top, creating a little riser. And this is how it looks. I have this Hawaiian skirt also from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and take several of these strings, and I am going to be placing them right on top. Once they are on top, then I'm gonna decorate them with plenty of Easter eggs. And then this will be it for this beautiful DIY. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And remember that if you don't like the way this is decorated, you can always customize it as you please. Today marks another episode of Just Our Imagination. This playlist was put together by Brenda, Rustic, and Lacey DIY, along with Kathy Joe DIYs. Last month, Jackie was the winner from Jackie Barnes Creations. These links to their channels will be in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to go ahead and check it out. Every month, they pick 3 items that we must use and we must incorporate in our DIYs. And this month is a plastic fence from Dollar Tree along with a plunger. We must use both parts, and a rubber stamp. And of course, whoever makes the best project is next month's co-host. So let me go ahead and show you my second project. And of course, most of my items today on this video are mostly from Dollar Tree. As you know, these bunny rabbits are completely new. I was so fortunate to find these at my Dollar Tree, and these were the last 2. So I'm adding a lot of Mod Podge. I'm going to go ahead and spread it around with this brush. And then I have 2 different tissues, and I will be placing them, one pink on the little bunny girl and then one stripe on the bunny male. I hope that makes sense. Now, I had a hard time. The tissue would not stick to these pieces of wood. So, well, they're not wood, they're like MDF. But yeah, I had a hard time placing the tissue and adhering it to it. Once the heat hit it, in some parts it adhered, but in others I had to go back and add more Mod Podge. And I also sand one of them. This one that I'm working on, I also sanded to see if it would adhere better. If I was going to recreate recreate this, I would add probably some construction paper to it, or maybe napkin. Whoever came up with the burning method, oh my God, I am loving this method because it's so simple and so precise. I'm gonna go ahead and use my lighter, and of course I'm gonna do that to both of the bunnies. I will also use a little bit of the sandpaper just to make sure that it looks nice and neat. And then again, I will be doing the same thing to both of the bunnies. And for this challenge, I will be using the rubber stamp. I got this air clay from Dollar Tree, and it came with a little bitty buggy. I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna be using the yellow one. I'm gonna try to make a little ball, and then I'm going to squeeze it with my hands against the work desk just to create sort of like an egg shape. And then the only rubber stamp that I was able to get was this one. Best wishes to Mr. and Mrs. I think it was perfect that I only found this one because it worked out just fine. So I'm pressing it against the clay, and then slowly, so I won't mess it up, I'll just go ahead and start removing it little by little. And of course, I'm just gonna go ahead with a brush and distress this just a bit. So what do you think? Do you think you could read those words? I think so. So I made a very simple purple bow. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here on the neckline. And then I have also a purple flower that I'm also going to be incorporating right there. And for the other bunny, because that is the male bunny, I'm gonna go ahead and just add some jute. I have this placemat, and I am going to be first of all taking out that tag, and then this metal wreath form, I'm going to be gluing it right here in position just to give this placemat some stability. And I'll be using a lot of hot glue. And here it is, all nice and put together. So now I have some stability. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put all of this together. Of course, you know, we have to add some greenery with a little bow. And I also off camera put that hook behind our wreath, if that's what you want to call this. And this would be it. I am totally in love with this one project using the stamp. I appreciate you stopping by, and if you are coming from one of the other channels, I am so happy and honored to have you in my channel. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining our family. And also hit that notification bell button so like that the next time that I upload a new video, you will be notified. And my dear friends, this is it for this beautiful wreath. I really do like it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, and here is the final reveal. For this project, I'm going to be using the fence. I have this beautiful napkin holder. You can always find these at the dollar store. I'm going to come in with the fence, and I am going to be cutting only one section, the section that I'm going to be using, and I use my utility knife along with scissors. My dear friends, don't forget to visit the playlist down below. Make sure to show these talented creators lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. And if you are coming from their channel, welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying this video. So now the section that I cut off, I'm going to come in with some of these tiger ties, and with that napkin holder, I'm going to go ahead and tie it around the napkin holder. Then the excess tiger tie, I'm going to come in with some scissors and I'm going to be cutting that off. And then I also have some Rust-Oleum spray paint called Espresso. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this light from Dollar Tree along with a fishbowl and some greenery, and this will be it. I'm going to be hanging this on the wall. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY, and if you did, like always, please give me that big thumbs up. You know, it does help my channel when you give me that big thumbs up, and I am hoping that you did enjoy this little project. I am in love with this one. For this project, I'm going to be using the handle of the plunger. I'll be removing this sticker, and I'm only going to be using 1 stick. I'm going to take it to my little miter saw, and I'm going to be cutting it to size. Once it's cut to size, then I'm coming back with my chestnut color. I'm going to water this down because I felt that watering it down would be better to apply it. So all I did was just water down, or just dip the sponge into the water. Then I came back and I mixed it with the same chestnut color, and then I continue to give it that 1 coat. Once the coat is applied, then I'll take a wipey and I will be wiping the entire stick. I'm also going to distress the border of this beautiful frame, also from Dollar Tree. Once I apply it to the entire border, then I'll come back with the wipey and I'll do the same thing. I'm taking this big thick ribbon, and it is burlap, of course. I'm cutting a piece, but I'm cutting the border which has the wire, and then once I cut this, I will cut it in half, so like that I can go ahead and start my project. So now this is completely cut. What I'm going to be doing is I am going to be gluing it behind this picture frame, creating a loop, if that's what I can call it. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue one end, put it around the stick, and then add more glue. And this is going to be sort of like the hanger to hang it on the wall. And this is not my original project. I've seen this 1,000 times. made by different creators, but I thought that this would look cute in my laundry room, so this is what I am going for. I also have some wall stickers for the laundry room, and that's what I am going to be putting or placing in front of this beautiful frame. I also want to thank every single one of my subscribers and my future subscribers for sticking around until the end of this video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to smash that little bell button so like that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And thanks a bunch for being so awesome. And now for the final review, you must let me know in the comments section which of these 4 DIYs was your favorite. Thank you much, and I will see you in my next video.